यस। हेलो स्टूडेंट, देखिए आज के इस वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द सेट थ्योरी इन द डेली लाइफ और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स के थ्रू हम इसको टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे। देखिए क्वेश्चन हमारे पास में है, इन ए सर्टेन स्कूल 40% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट प्ले बास्केटबॉल and 25% play volleyball and 10% play both the basketball and volleyball. Then find the number of the students don't play neither basketball or volleyball. तो इसमें हमें जो है ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स की संख्या निकालनी है जो ना ही तो बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं और ना ही हमारे वॉलीबॉल खेलते हैं। तो देखिए हम यहाँ पर सेट थ्योरी का कैसे इस्तेमाल करेंगे। हम यहाँ लिखेंगे लेट द सेट ए एंड बी द सेट ऑफ लेट द सेट ए एंड बी द सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट play basketball and volleyball respectively. Then as per question अगर हम देखें तो the number of the student who play the basketball is equal to 40% or NB is equal to that is 25% and NA intersection B is equal to आपका है 10%। ये आपका बोथ हो गया that is play volleyball और these are the play basketball। We know that हम लोग बड़े आराम से जानते हैं कि वी नो दैट एन ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू एन ए प्लस एन बी माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी और दिस इज इक्वल टू दैट इज 40% और प्लस 25% और माइनस 10% और this is equal to that is 30 and 55%. Now we want to find NA neither ये बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि भाई find the number of the student neither play basketball or nor volleyball. So that is a complement or intersection B complement हमें तो इसमें चाहिए and therefore the number of students neither play basketball or nor play neither play the basketball or nor volleyball is equal to देखिए अगर हम यहाँ देखते हैं with the help of the Venn diagram that is the set is universal, this is the set is A or that is the set is B, so then these are the student A union B और don't play any of the game दोनों में से कोई भी गेम ना खेलने वाले स्टूडेंट्स की जो नंबर होगी that is equal to NU माइनस NA union B। अगर हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट में से माइनस कर दे NA union B को और व्हाट इज NU 100% स्टूडेंट थे और माइनस के एन ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू 55% और दिस इज इक्वल टू 45%. So therefore the number of students do not play basketball, neither basketball or non volleyball is equal to 45%. Yes. The next problem. In a survey of 60 pupils, it was found 21 people like product A, 26 like product B, and 29 like product C. If 14 pupils like both product A and B, while the 12 like both product A and C, 14 people like product B and C, and 8 people like all the 3 products. Then find how many products like only C, how many people like at least one of the 3 products, how many people do not like any of the 3 products. तो ये हमें निकालना, हमने लेट किया. देख इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को हम वेन डायग्राम के थ्रू करेंगे. हमने कंसिडर किए लेट दिस सेट इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल pupils who like the product A, and this set B denote the number of pupils, set of the pupils who like product B, and this set C denote the pupils who like the product C. Now in the adjoining figure, let A, B, C, D, E, F and G denote the number of pupils of the irrespective region. So then, as per information, जो हमें given information है, there are the given information is NA. Total number of the pupil of like product A, that is A plus D plus G, A plus D plus G or plus F is equal to 21 pupils. Similarly NB, अगर हम देखें तो B plus D plus E plus G, B plus D plus G or that is G plus E is equal to 20, ये हमारा 21 और that is 26. This is the first, this is the equation number second. और NC is equal to, अगर हम देखें तो C plus E और plus G और plus F, this is equal to 29. That is the product C. Now both A and B को अगर हम देखें तो what is the intersection of the A and B is A का पोर्शन और B का D plus D, और that is an A intersection B both D plus G, or this is equal to 14 pupils like that. This is the equation number 4. Or an A intersection C is equal to A intersection C, that is A F plus C, or this is equal to 12. Now again, and B intersection C is equal to B intersection C, that is G plus C, or that is equal to B and C like the 14. Also all the 3 product and A intersection B intersection C, और this is equal to तीनों का जो इंटरसेक्शन है ये रीजन है, that G is equal to 8. Now, by solving all the equations, we find the value of the A, B, C, D, E, F and G, all the unknown variable. देखिए कैसे? Yes, देखिए from the equation this G here, G is equal to 8. Number 1 is, or E is equal to, that is 8, 14 minus 8, or that is 6, or F 14, that is G 8, 14 minus 8, that is 6, और F plus G 8, F आपका आ जाएगा that is 4. तो here now D plus G, G हमने रखा 8 और that is D is also 6. Now from the equation first, A or plus B, A plus D or plus G or plus F is equal to 21. Here A, we want to find D, that is 6, or that is G 8, or that is F. अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो that is 6 plus 8 or plus F, or the value of the F is 4, is equal to 21, or A is equal to 8 or 6 14 or 4 18, that is C3. A is equal to 3. Similarly, we can find the value of B or plus D or plus G plus E is equal to 26, or this implies that if we see here the value of D should be equal to 6 or plus 8, or value of E is 6, 26, or B is equal to 8, 6 14, 6 20, that is 6. The value of the B is equal to 6. Now, third equation, C plus E or plus G or plus F is equal to 29. Then C plus E, 6 or plus 8, or the value of F is 4, is equal to 29. Then C is equal to 8 4 12, 6 18, 29 minus 18, or that is 1, or 2 1 11. So therefore this is the value of the C, this is B and this. Now we write the answer. The required answer is the total number of the people who like the product C. So therefore the number of people who like product C only is equal to C only, that is the value of C. ये आपका only C, or this is equal to 11. Next, the number of people who like product, at least one of the product, is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F or plus G. Sum of the all elements, that is A 3 or B 6, C 11 or D 6, or plus E, that is 6, or plus F, that is 4, or plus G आपका है 8, और this is equal to 9 or 11 20, और प्लस 12 और a 24 और this is equal to 44. Now the number of people do not like any one of the product is equal to NU minus NA union B union C, or this is equal to, if you see here, NU is equal to 60 or minus 44. This is equal to 6 or 5 minus 4 is आपका 16. So therefore there are the 16 people don't like any product. At least one of the product, take the number of people is 44 and only the product C is taken the 11 and only the product A taken B 3 and only taken the product B is C. So yes, a college awarded 38 medals in hockey, 15 in basketball and 20 in the cricket. If the three medals were based by the total number of students is 58. अगर कुल मेडल्स जो हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाते हैं 58 स्टूडेंट्स को and only 3 students got the medal in on 3 sport, then how many students received in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? Now here we see, let the set H, B and C be the set of the student who best medal in hockey, basketball and cricket respectively. So therefore, as per the given information in the question, we find NH is equal to 38, NP 15, that is, or NC, that is 20, or NH union B union C is equal to 58, or NH intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. Let, हम यहाँ लिखते हैं, let the number of student based in the both, let X denote X, Y, Z, let X, Y and Z be denote the student in got medal in hockey and basketball, hockey and cricket, and basketball and cricket respectively. So then, if we see the adjoining Venn diagram, we get we know that an H union B union C is equal to NH plus NB plus NC minus NH intersection B, that is, or minus N, that is H intersection C, or minus N, that is B intersection C, or plus NH intersection B intersection C. Now, put the value of all given information. So N H union B union C is equal to, that is 58 is equal to 38 or plus 50 or plus 20 minus, देखिए, that is B intersection C and H intersection B minus N H intersection C minus N B intersection C, not given here, or plus 3 common. So this implies that 58 is equal to minus, ले आते हैं इसको 8 और that is 5 13 और 3 16 4 5 और 1 6. This is equal to minus N H intersection B minus N H intersection C and B intersection C. 16 minus 8, that is 8, or these are the number of the student here will be 18. See again, 8 or 5 13 or 3 16, 4 or 1 5 or 2, that is 7 or 18 minus is equal to minus an H intersection B, or that is plus an H intersection C plus n B intersection C. Now minus minus, that is plus. Now see exactly of the 3 games. हम लोग यहाँ देखें, then this is 18 is equal to, that is H intersection B. H intersection B, the value of this is from the Venn diagram x plus 3. H intersection C, that is, this is value y plus 3, or similarly z plus 3, or this implies that x plus y plus z 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. For therefore, the total number of students who go, therefore, total number of students who got exactly medal in, who got medals in exactly two sports should be equal to 9. Yes. Next question. In an university out of 100 students, 15 offer mathematics only, but that is only girl, and 12 offered statistics only, or 8 offered physics only, 40 offered physics and math, 20 take physics and statistics, and 10 offered maths and statistics. While the 65 pupils offered physics total, then by drawing a Venn diagram of this problem, find the number of the student offered mathematics, offered statistics, and did not offer any of the above 3 subjects. Let we take here M, S and P be the set of students offered mathematics, statistics and physics respectively in the Venn diagram. Let X be the number of students who offered all the 3 subjects. Then as per the given information, if you see here, 15 offered mathematics only, 12 offered that is statistics only, and 8 offered physics only. Now, if you see here, 40 offered physics and math. This set is physics or that is mathematics. So therefore, in the both physics and math, this figure total रीजन का जो एलिमेंट्स है, जो स्टूडेंट्स है, this is equal to 40. So therefore this region is containing 40 minus x. Now 20 offered physics and statistics. There are this region whole. So the P intersection C or the student 20 offered this complete region 20. So therefore this is 20 minus x. Similarly this region 10 offered maths and statistics both. So therefore the complete whole value is 10 complete. That is the M intersection S is equal to 10. Or therefore this is 10. Now the total number of the student हमें given है यहाँ पर total number of student who offered physics is equal to 65. From the Venn diagram, if we see the number of the student who take physics, जो फिजिक्स लेते हैं, that is x plus 40 minus x plus 8 plus 20 minus x, और this is equal to 65. Here आपका x से ये x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 40 और 20 68 minus x is equal to 65. Minus x is equal to minus 3 or that is plus 3. So therefore this region is x की वैल्यू आपकी आ गई 3. Now our question, find the number of students who offered mathematics. So therefore the total number of students who offered math, total number of student offered मैथ्स, मैथ्स लेने वाले बच्चों की संख्या क्या होगी? अगर हम देखें मैथ्स का हमारा ये सेट आ गया, दैट इज 15 और प्लस 10 और प्लस 15 प्लस 10 प्लस एक्स और प्लस 40 माइनस एक्स, और दिस इज इक्वल टू, हम देखें 50 और that is again the total number of the student who taken maths is 62, 50, or that is 10 minus, sorry, this reason is 10 minus x, that is a 10 minus x. अगर हम देखें इस रीजन होगा 15 और प्लस 10 माइनस एक्स और प्लस एक्स प्लस 40 माइनस एक्स, एक्स कैंसिल हुआ और दैट इज 40 10 50 65 और minus 3 is equal to 62. Now the total number of the student who take statistics, ऑफर जो कि आपके स्टैटिस्टिक्स के, द टोटल नंबर, सेकेंड पार्ट, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट who offer statistics is equal to, now statistics में आ गए 10 minus x plus 12 और plus x और plus 20 minus x, x cancel, that is 20 or 10 30 42 माइनस एक्स और एक्स वैल्यू होगी हमारे पास 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 39. थर्ड पार्ट, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट who offer, who did not offer any one of the subject is equal to, देखिए यहाँ पर हम लोग निकाल जाएं the total number of the subject or total number of the student is 100, so that is 100 minus 100 minus, देखा, that is 50 और plus 12 plus 8 और plus 10 minus x 40 minus x plus 20 minus x और plus x, और this is equal to 100, that is x cancel और minus 5 to 7 20 और that is 20 और that is 30 और 10 45 plus 40 और that is 20 60 और minus 2x. This is equal to 100 minus, that is 105 minus 6 or that is 100 minus 99 or that is 1. So therefore there is only one is the student did not offer any of the 3 subjects. यानी कि यहाँ पर केवल एक स्टूडेंट ऐसा होगा जो कि तीनों में से कोई भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं लेगा.